Hi. Have you paused to think about how much time you spend on average during a work week in just meetings? Do you know how much it costs to have these meetings? How attentive are you and others during meetings? Are you busy answering emails and responding to texts while there's a meeting going on? So have you thought about these things? Um, my name is Meenakshi Iyer, and I'm a business process and digital transformation consultant and a lean, agile, human-centered design practitioner. And I'd love to talk to you about designing meetings that matter. And in that context, my fellow coach, Divya Sriram, who's an ICF certified executive coach and a visual strategy facilitator, we have put our heads together to bring to you the meeting GPS. Um, just like you would use a GPS when you're driving or riding, how about using that when you have your daily or weekly meetings at work? The concept is as simple as it can be in terms of thinking about the why. Why do you need this meeting? Is this meeting necessary? Asking some of those powerful questions and then looking at the design of your meeting. How is this meeting going to go? And what are some of the key operating principles for these meetings? How can you be more inclusive? How can you ensure that there is psychological safety during your meetings? And what do you really what are you looking for from these meetings? What's the outcome that this meeting is being designed for? So if you want to learn more about the meeting GPS and other such really powerful productivity hacks for designing meetings that matter and to help you navigate your manic meeting Mondays, then please do join me and my fellow coach Divya and partner in crime this coming Saturday, the 20th of June, for a 3-hour live workshop, which is absolutely experiential. So we have 3 hours and we plan to demonstrate 3 different meetings. And we are trying to build a day that's as close to your regular workday as possible, where most of us end up being in back-to-back meetings. So it's 3 hours, 3 different meeting scenarios where Divya and I will present to you and share with you some visual storyboards and also concepts and practices around inclusive design of meetings, how to manage your attention, and the key is to how do you maintain your productivity and how do you remain productive as you transition from meeting to meeting. We all think that multitasking is something that's natural, comes naturally to us, but there is science that proves that it can take our brains up to 20 odd minutes to switch from one task to another. So just thinking about some of these things, becoming aware and ensuring that we really are able to deliver value and generate value in each of these meetings, because after all, these meetings do cost. And Divya and I are thrilled to partner for this workshop. Once again, it's a 3-hour live workshop this coming Saturday, June 20th, and it's conveniently timed for several time zones, including Asia, Africa, Europe, and North America. So it's timed at 5 p.m. India time, which is 7:30 a.m. Eastern time in the US, and it's around noon in most of Europe. So we really look forward to seeing you and sharing visual, virtual facilitation around meetings and sharing some of our productivity hacks for navigating manic meeting Mondays. See you soon.